It is time to clean up these brows. Keep watching and I will show you how I went from that to this. The products I will use today are a simple mini razor that can be found at your local beauty supply store, as well as a set of tweezers that can be purchased at a beauty supply store or your local drugstore, along with 70% isopropyl rubbing alcohol and a pair of cotton balls. I'm going to start with a cotton ball and alcohol. I'm going to use that to clean my eyebrow area, just to remove any excess oils or dirt that's in the area before I start grooming my brows. Next, I will use my e.l.f. eyebrow pencil to shape my brows and also lift them just to see the areas that I need to clean up. Then I will go in with the mini razor, starting from the bottom, and remove all the excess hairs. There's always one stubborn hair that doesn't want to move, but that's okay, because I'm going to get it. So now once that part is done, then I'll just take my spoolie once again, push the hairs up just to see if there's any other hairs that I may have missed, and then go back in one more time with the razor. And you'll see that I'm leaving a few hairs at the front of my brow untouched because I have sparse hair, so I don't want to go through and try to pick all of them because I'm in the process of letting them grow out as well. Then I'll take the spoolie and brush the hairs down so that I can get a good view of my upper area. And then I'll take the razor and start shaping that. When I'm done with the razor, I'll use the cotton ball just to clean the area one more time. Then follow up with the spoolie once again to reshape the eyebrow hairs and also to see what extra hairs I have that are sticking out. Once I see those, then I'll just go in with the scissors and do a slight trim. Then lastly, I'll follow up with the tweezers to pull out any extra hairs that I wasn't able to catch with the razor. Then I'll go over my brows once again with the spoolie just to make sure that I'm good with the shape. I'm not going for a perfect brow, I'm just really trying to clean up my brows. Then moving on to the other side, I'm going to repeat the exact same steps. I'm going to start with the spoolie, get the hairs in order, then follow up with the razor underneath. Then I'm just going to spoolie this side one last time. I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison of my eyebrows. I'm going to clean up the area of both eyebrows with a cotton ball. I didn't show it on camera, but I did also shave the middle part to get any extra hairs that were growing there. But as I said before, this isn't a perfect eyebrow tutorial. This is just me grooming my eyebrows to get them cleaned up and back into shape. So that is it, guys. That is a side-by-side comparison. If you found this tutorial helpful, please let me know. I hope you enjoyed what you've seen. Thanks for watching.